Hello everyone, my name is Zenga. I'm 23 years old. I'm from Nghệ An province. Cheese. See. The. Love. The. Zone. Zoo. Red. Call. Shell. Wet. Go. The. Television. That. Please speak English with me. It's not difficult to speak English. Everything is ready. Practice makes perfect. He speaks perfect English. Remember to call your mother. My mother is a wonderful teacher. Sorry to bother you. You have a charming smile. Always say please and thank you. Thank you for listening. Bye bye.